everyone. This time we fly again, and it's very special. We will see the latest condition of the Pandansimo Bridge in 2025. Although it is still not finished, the Pandansimo Bridge is still a favorite spot for those who like to take a walk while looking for fresh air. This bridge will soon be finished because construction, such as asphalt and installing lights, is almost finished. Come on, let's continue touring together through this cool drone view. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe for other cool drone view updates. The construction process has started since several years ago, and in 2025, it can be said that the construction of this bridge is almost complete. From the air, it is very visible. My friends, the bridge structure is standing solidly. The main work, such as casting the bridge body, installing safety fences, and pedestrian paths, is almost complete. Some finishing touches that are still ongoing include installing streetlights, repainting the railings, and arranging the surrounding area. Overall, the construction progress of the Pandansimo Bridge has reached more than 90%. When it is truly completed, this bridge will become a vital access to support tourism, accelerate the distribution of agricultural and fishery products, and at the same time strengthen the economy of the people on the southern coast of Bantul. Not only the function is considered in terms of design, this bridge is also made cool, so that it is comfortable for vehicles and enjoyable for pedestrians or just hunting for beautiful photos. If we look from above, this bridge stretches quite long across the river that connects the agricultural and coastal areas. Its shape is straight and firm with several expansion points on the right and left sides. Maybe later it will become a special lane for emergency parking or a place to rest for a while. In terms of materials, it is very obvious that the construction uses super strong reinforced concrete, certainly prepared to withstand the heavy load of large vehicles, plus ready to face extreme weather conditions in coastal areas. And for those of you who like to hunt for sunset, wow, the spots around this bridge can be a new place to hang out while watching the sun set on the western horizon. The view is really cool. Sunrise. When this construction is completed, the Pandansimo Bridge will not only be a connecting road, but will also be a new icon in the southern area of Bantul. Okay guys, that's it for our drone trip today. Thank you for flying with us. Don't forget, keep an eye on this channel for other interesting updates. See you in the next video.